In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the 3D cursor to your selection in Blender. The 3D cursor is that red and white target icon in your scene. It's a super handy reference point for placing new objects and setting pivots, so positioning it precisely can save you a lot of time. Here's a clear, reliable way to snap it exactly where you want using your current selection. Start by making a selection. You can do this at the object level or at the component level in edit mode. If you're working with full objects, simply left-click the object you want. If you're fine-tuning inside a mesh in edit mode, select the vertices, edges, or faces you care about. You can click to pick a single element or use selection tools like box selection if you're working with a larger area. The key idea is your active selection defines the target for the cursor. When you select multiple components, Blender will use their median point, their average center, as the destination. With your selection in place, it's time to open the Snap menu, press Shift+S on your keyboard. This brings up the Snap Pie menu right under your cursor. If you're new to it, think of it as a quick radial menu designed for fast snapping actions without digging through multiple panels. From that menu, choose Cursor to Selected. This is the option that tells Blender, take the 3D cursor and move it to the exact center of whatever I've selected. You don't need to toggle anything else, just select that command and Blender does the rest. If you're working with a single vertex or a single object, the cursor will land exactly on that point. If you've selected several vertices, edges, or faces, it will land at their median. Finally, confirm that the cursor moved as expected. You should see the red and white 3D cursor jump to your selected point or area. If your view is zoomed out, orbit or zoom in a bit to check its precise location. If it looks like nothing changed, double check that you actually had something selected. The command won't move the cursor if there was no valid selection. Also remember that if the cursor was already at that location, you won't see much movement. And that's all there is to it. Select the object or geometry, press Shift+S to open the Snap menu, choose Cursor to Selected, and verify the cursor's new position. This quick workflow puts the 3D cursor exactly where you need it, ready for precise modeling and placement tasks.